Desert power should be simple, so we engineered a system that is powerful, intelligent, and beautifully compact. Welcome to the future of energy. The Suntrick stackable all-in-one solar system. From precision manufacturing to world-class assembly lines, every unit is built with one mission: to give you uninterrupted power without stress. This is not just a solar inverter. This is a complete powerhouse in one sleek design, with capacities from 2.5 kVA all the way to 15 kVA. It is perfectly built for apartments, duplexes, offices, businesses, and large commercial spaces. And the best part, you don't change your system when your energy needs grow. You simply stack and expand. Yes, it is fully expandable. Start small, scale big, without replacing your investment. Safety meets innovation. An inbuilt automatic fire extinguishing system, because your home, your office, and your business deserve advanced protection. No noise, no fuel, no vibration. Just clean, silent, reliable power 24/7. With the smart Bluetooth monitoring app, your entire energy system is now in your hands. Check your battery level, monitor your load, track your solar production, switch modes, all from your phone, anywhere, anytime. This is not convenience, this is control. Engineered with high-performance lithium storage, you get longer backup time, faster charging, deeper energy utilization, longer lifespan, which means more value for your money. Every single day, imagine powering your air conditioners, your refrigerators and deep freezers, your pumping machine, your office equipment, your CCTV cameras, your lighting, your televisions, your production tools, all at the same time, without NEPA, without generator, without noise. This is energy independence. Installation is clean, design is compact, operation is fully automated. No complex wiring, no scattered opponents. Everything in one intelligent stackable system for homes, for businesses, for smart energy users who are ready to upgrade. Suntrick didn't just build a solar solution. We built a power experience, stronger, smarter, safer, expandable, beautiful. This is the power solution for smart homes, visionary businesses, and people who are ready to upgrade their lifestyle. And when it comes to getting the original professionally installed and fully supported Suntrick system, there is only one name you can trust: Magic Global Tech, the core distributor of Suntrick solar solutions. We don't just sell, we design, we install, we support, we deliver nationwide. So whether you are powering your home, your office, or your industry, step into any Magic Global Tech outlet today and experience the future of energy. Suntrick stackable all-in-one system, available now at Magic Global Tech.